Good news! Now there's even more ways for your buyers to pay. With eBay managing payments, your buyers have more choices, including PayPal. In one place, you'll have payments, reports, fees, seller protections, servicing and support, payouts, and more. Plus, receive direct payouts for all your sales deposited into your bank account. Let's talk about your buyers. They'll have more ways than ever to pay, including credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, and PayPal Credit. When your customer chooses PayPal at checkout, just like many e-commerce sites, they'll be prompted to select their payment method on PayPal.
If you want to know more about eBay managing payments today, visit the Seller Centre.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.